Do you know what is JIT, AOT, CLR, CTS, and CLS? And most of the companies always ask the first question to the interview that what is these things? Okay, and around 90% candidates they don't know the answer as well. And if you're watching this video for the first time and you are preparing for the interviews, so just do let me know answer in the comment section of this video. Okay, so that I will get to know that you are actually doing a very good thing and you are a smart developer. But if you don't know, don't worry, I will help you to understand the concept as well, because I bring this playlist for all the .NET developers who wants to switch their companies, okay, and want to go in the dream company as well, like a fang companies kind of. Okay, so this is why I thought that this video comes in front of you, okay, or for your career as well. I created the playlist for you as well, .NET interview deep dives. Okay, so let me show you that what you need to understand, like what's the importance of the interview and the preparation of the interview before as well. Okay, so the thing is in most of the cases, .NET developers have the excellent skills, excellent practical skills, but in the interview, like uh, like most of the .NET developers, they can't able to deliver their knowledge as well. Okay, so this is why they didn't they don't get a handsome amount of package. So this is why I thought this video should come in front of you. Okay, or I am recording this video for you as well. Okay, or there are a lot of videos we will discuss for the interview perspective as well. Okay, so don't worry guys, please stick this video till the end as well. Or guys, I just want to request that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, colleagues on network as well, and hit the like button, because everybody wants to switch their job. Okay, but they don't know, and like they don't answer the interviewer in a confident way, because they don't have the clarity in the concepts as well. So this is why I thought that we should start from the basics. After that, one by one we will go to the advanced level. Okay, so this is why I thought the first question the interviewer always asks is what is JIT, AOT, CLS, CTS, and CLR. Okay, but I know you are watching this video and you don't know the differences between these five terms as well. Okay, so this is why I asked you this question earlier in this video. Okay, so let's see that what is the CLR, JIT, AOT, CTS, and CLS as well. Okay, or let me show you that what's the thing that you need to understand, because you have your practical knowledge, but you don't have no knowledge in the in such of the basics as well. Like basics always kills the .NET developer package. Okay, so this is why I thought this we should start from the basics. Okay, so the first question, which is CLR. Okay, so CLR means let me write you the things. Okay, so Common Language Runtime. Okay, so what is the Common Language Runtime? Or if I tell you that CLR is a compiler, or if you know that what is the compiler, so just do let me know in the comment section of this video. Okay, or what is the difference between compiler and interpreter as well. Okay, in fact interviewer can ask you the things as well, what is the compiler and interpreter as well. Okay, so you have to know this thing, that what is the difference between these two things. Okay, now let's see that what is the common language runtime. You will see that word which is the runtime. Okay, or there is a two things like runtime and compile time. So let me tell you the difference between runtime and compile time. Okay, so so suppose I made a mistake here. Okay, I am writing the code like this. Okay, so I am doing everything in the compile time, but whenever I run this application, so it will or whenever we execute the code. Okay, so at that moment we call it as a runtime. So this is the difference between runtime and compile time. Now the next thing is that we are discussing here, what is TLR, common language runtime. Okay, so the like you write your code in C sharp, okay, F sharp, or like a VB .NET. Okay, so you have written your code in such languages. But like what the CLR does. So CLR will convert your these codes into your intermediary language, okay, which we call as a IL, okay. So like IL is a intermediary language. Like you should LNG. Okay, so like you should have the knowledge regarding that how like what is the CLR, or along with that you will see that this is our code that we have written in the code editor. Your CLR will do will convert this code into the intermediary language. Okay, after that what the things next happens, this intermediary language converts into the ML. It is not machine learning, guys. Please don't think it is a machine language. This is code, and this is why we call it as a common language runtime. Because if you want to convert your C sharp code, F sharp code, VB.NET code into the machine language, okay, so your CLR will help you to convert to the machine language. Or if you want, or these are the three process that that is done by the CLR, which is the first it will convert to the intermediary language. After that the intermediary language will convert into the machine learning language, okay. After that what the thing is happen, like it executes executions. That's it. So like how the things go with the CLR. Okay, or whenever the interviewer will ask you that what is the CLR, so without uh, thinking of the any single of the second, you have to tell your interviewer that your CLR converts your C sharp, F sharp, or VB.NET code into the machine language code. Okay, or along with or in the middle, yeah, your CLR will convert first into the intermediate language, or that intermediate language code into convert into the machine language, okay. So this is how like a CLR works in the .NET, or any or in fact any .NET application, okay. It can be your desktop applications, ASP.NET Core application, Blazor application, Maui applications, okay. Like it doesn't matter, like your application should have in the .NET. So this is how like a CLR works in the .NET, okay. Or if you are able to answer this question, okay, so congratulations guys, you are like you have understood the first concept of the programming language in the .NET, which is the CLR, okay. Without CLR you can't execute your code, okay, or your code will not run. So this is why like CLR is the heart of the .NET, okay. So simply I can tell it as a heart of .NET. So like sounds good, okay. Now the next thing that we gonna to discuss here, which is the JIT, or along with the JIT versus AOT. Okay, we will discuss these 2 points simultaneously. Like both the things are related to CLR. Okay, so that this is why I like we will discuss these both points simultaneously. Okay, so first you should know that what is the full form of these two terms, which is the just in time. It means that like runtime, okay. Or like we are, why not compile time? Because I told you earlier in this video, which is like see, like these like these like both these things are related to the CLR, okay. Or CLR always happens in the runtime. So this is why you need to understand that it is directly related to the runtime executions, okay. Or and along with that, what's the full form of the AOT? AOT means like ahead of time. This is your ahead of time, okay, AOT. But we called it as a pre runtime. That's it, okay. Or the pre word sounds like before runtime. or this is the at runtime. Okay, so like this is the first difference that you need to understand, that JIT compiler always execute your code, compiles your code at runtime. Okay, but whenever I talk about ahead of time, so like it will compile your code pre runtime, okay, or before the runtime, or we can call it as a like before, like at publish. That's it. Okay, so at the mode of the publish, your AOT compiles your entire code. Okay, so like this is the first and basic difference that you need to understand between JIT and AOT. Okay, JIT is slower, slow down your startup your application. Okay, okay, along with that, if I talk about the AOT, is faster startup. like what is the thing, why I'm telling this, JIT is slow and AOT is faster. Okay, in the recent versions of the .NET, like .NET 8, 9, 10, you will see that Microsoft has involved and make the evolution in the AOT. Okay, like they, like this company like Microsoft wants that your application should start as much as early as much as possible. So this is why we are focusing on the AOT, not GIT, because GIT is slow down your startup. Okay, or like AOT is faster as well. But in terms of portability, okay, so flexibility, so the thing is that JIT is more portable. First thing is that, okay, or along with that, AOT is less flexible. That's the big issue comes with the AOT, there is a more advantage in the JIT. Like JIT is a more portable as compared to AOT, but in or AOT is obviously it is a less flexible as well. Okay, so this is why we should understand the difference between JOT and AOT, or whenever the interviewer will ask you that what is the difference between JOT, JIT and AOT, then you will be able to answer this question as well. Or whenever the interview can ask you that what the enhancement has done in the .NET 9, .NET 8, .NET 10. So your first point should be faster AOT. That's it. Okay, so this is the first line that you need to say to the interviewer, that AOT improvements. That's it. This is why I told you the things both these things are related to the CLR. Okay, so I hope you got to know idea about CLR, JIT, and AOT. And if until here you know the thing, you have the clarity in these three things. Okay, or still you have any if you are facing any issues, just comment me in this video. Okay, or I will make you to understand in a very better way. Okay, or if you want, so you can ask me directly on my LinkedIn profile as well, so you don't need to worry about anything. So just don't hesitate to ask me anything. Okay, like I want that you should give the interview in a very professional way. Okay, without any hesitation. Okay, so this is why I created this playlist for you. So I am your friend. Okay, and you or you are my friend as well. So or along with that, you can ask me anything, or you can share me anything. So this is why oh, so we need to understand the things as well. Now the next topic that we are going to discuss here, which is the common types system. Okay, so let's see. So CTS is common types system. So what is the CTS, and why we are discussing this topic here? If I ask you that what are the types in the .NET in C sharp as well. Okay, so you will see that there are two types, reference type or like uh, value type. Okay, so these things is related to the CTS, or let me show you that how the things are related to this thing. Okay, so in the like value type, okay, so value type, value type data type. Okay, so in the value type you will have such things like integer, decimal, float, okay, or string, char. Okay, so these are your value type, data type. Okay, or along with that you and if I tell you that what is your reference type, in the reference type, okay, like reference types like classes and interfaces, array, list, or like there is another reference type that we can take as a like dictionary as well. Okay, like there are a lot of things that is still we need to mention here. Okay, so what is the CTS? So CTS always ensure that like you know it very well that C sharp has their own value types and reference types. F sharp has, or VB has their own type. Okay, now these programming languages have different value types and reference types. Okay, so CTS always makes sure that like in the C sharp you define the integer as an integer. Okay, but in case of the VB, okay, in the VB you define the integer as a integer. Okay, or in terms of in C sharp you define the string as a string. Okay, like this. In VB, like we define the uh, string as a string. So like you will see that what's the differences in this thing. Okay, so your CTS always ensures that these two things are not similar. Okay, like behind the scene it is similar, but in the perspective of the programming languages these both things are not similar, or these things should no collide to each other. So this is why CTS always ensures that you like these things are not similar. Okay, so this is why CTS always helps you to uh, maintain the code or maintain the value types and reference types as well. Okay, so like if you interviewer will ask you that what is the CTS. Okay, so you have to tell the interviewer that CTS always ensures that the types the reference types or the value types should not collide to each other in the programming languages. Okay, F sharp, C sharp, VB.NET. Okay, or you can give the example like this, that like what I am talking to you right now. Okay, or this is why I thought that I should explain you each and everything via writing the things on the screen. Okay, so that everything should makes the clarity to you. Okay, because you are watching this video, okay, and you are spending the time to watching this video. Okay, so this is why you should have the clarity on the concept as well, because I want that I want that you should earn a very handsome amount. Okay, or you you are the you are deserve candidate to make good package. Okay, so this is why I thought that I should bring this playlist for you. Now the next topic that we are discussing here, which is the CLS. Okay, so CLS. Okay, now the CLS is Common Language Specifications. Suppose CLS always ensures if I how many of you know about the Newton Soft.json? If you know this library, so just do let me know in the comment section of this video. Okay, or if anyone give the comment section of if anyone give the answer, I will give the shout out as well. Okay, now let's see that what is the Newton's of JSON. In the Newton's of JSON always helps to serializable or the deserialize as well. Okay, so in this scenario we convert the code according to it. Okay, now the things that we're gonna to discuss here, which is the like uh, first thing is it all like do you know this library you can use in the C sharp, F sharp, VB.NET. You know it very well. But have you ever like think that like the code is written for this library in the different languages? Like if you are using the C sharp, so like it might be written in the C sharp as well. If you are using the F sharp, so like it might be written in the F sharp. Okay, if you are using the VB.NET, so if so like you think that like due to sort of JSON code is written in the VB.NET. No guys, it is not like this. Okay, suppose this library is written in the C sharp. Okay, superb. Or and you are using and you have the application in the F sharp, and if you install this application, okay, your library is written in the C sharp, but you are using the application in this F sharp. Okay, so this CLS always maintain the thing like all the libraries is created in any languages will support to each language as well. So this is the like a fundamental thing about this common language specification. Okay, that you should always aware about the things like, okay, or whenever you start thinking about that, like what is the CLS, then you will feel okay, like if I'm using the VB.NET, or oh guys, if you want to check here, okay, just go to vb.net, okay, or use this package, or whenever you click on whenever you press the F12, then you will go to the executable code file. Okay, there you will see that every code is written in the C sharp. Okay, but you are using the vb.net. So at this moment you will see, okay, like I am using the C sharp library into my vb.net. Okay, like how is this possible? This is the possible because of the CLS. Okay, like common language specifications. Okay, like it always ensure that if I am if I have the newer package, if I have the library in the C sharp, F sharp, or VB.NET, so like every language should have the compatible to like use its features as well. Okay, so this is why like concept of the CLS comes with the .NET. Okay, or this is the powerful thing that you should know the things about like what is the CLS. Okay, so this is the concept behind the CLS as well. Okay, now the one more thing we have left behind. Okay, which is the in the CTS you have like have you ever heard about that boxing and unboxing? Okay, or if you don't know that what is the boxing and unboxing, okay, so don't worry, the like next video will be based on this topic as well. Okay, but at this moment I will tell you that like boxing and unboxing is directly related to the CTS as well, like common type system as well. Okay, or it always ensure that every type is convertible as well. Okay, so like whenever we talk about the like type conversion. Okay, in case of type conversion, okay, so like it all like your CTR all like your CTS always ensure that type conversion should be properly as well. Okay, so this is how the like you can tell the to the interviewer. Okay, or please keep your notebook in your hand as well. Okay, or write everything that I am writing here. Okay, so like so that whenever you give the interview, just you have to read your page as well. Okay, and you will make the clarity as well. Or so, and another thing good thing is like you should remember the thing in your mind as well. Okay, like you like I haven't like written anything here. Okay, so like what the thing I have understood the concept. Okay, it's like these things are related to in such a way. Okay, like this is the CLR, this is the JIT. Okay, or like everybody is talking about the AOT in the .NET 10, .NET 10, .NET 10. Okay, but who knows like what is AOT? Okay, if and in fact you don't know as well. So this is why I am telling you, please keep the clarity in your mind as well. Don't in your copy and in your notebook as well. Okay, if you're writing, that's a good thing. Okay, but make sure that like you should have to understand or make the clarity in your mind as well. Okay, like whenever you have the clarity in the concept, then you will be able to feel confident while you giving the interview as well. Okay, or definitely your interviewer will impress by your answer as well. Okay, so like the topic that we the first topic that we have discussed here. Okay, or like we have successfully understood all such topics: CLR, GIT, AOT, CTS, and CLS as well. Okay, so like this is why like we have understand the things later to go each other. Okay, or along with that, if you have still you have confusion, don't worry. Just ask me directly on like on my LinkedIn profile. I will give you the answer as well. Okay, or in fact you can ask me directly on my Gmail account as well. Okay, or whenever you face any issues regarding the .NET. Okay, so definitely I will I will share my contact number as well. Okay, so that you can directly call to me as well. Okay, so like and right now I am not writing here. Okay, now like if you love this video, if you love this content, so I just want to request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, your network as well. Or guys, there is an important thing that I want to discuss with you, which is like guys, like let me show you the things like we have successfully completed like 545 plus members in our YouTube channel. Okay, so like right now it is 550 subscribers. Okay, so thank you for your support. Okay, but in this year we have to grow more and more. Okay, or I want to make a like a big community. Okay, in the big community I want every developer should have the like handsome package as handsome amount of package. They are like they should work in the like dream company. Okay, or they should have the like excellent knowledge. So this is why I created this YouTube channel, which is a front end to back end with Rohan. Along with that, there is another thing that I want to tell you, which is that like we have the official website, which is the F2B Stack. So and along with that, you please go to the website. Okay, check out the things like what we have mentioned in the website. Okay, or along with that, you can found our like YouTube videos. Okay, technical blogs. Okay, and all the things are like we have added here. Okay, so just don't worry, like you have like you will found around 5 to 7 blocks as well. Okay, or with the code snippet as well. Okay, so you don't need to worry about anything. Okay, if you have any idea in your mind, okay, or if you want to publish your blog on this website, okay, so guys don't worry, I will definitely like mention your blog as well. Okay, with your name. Okay, right now I have created the 7 blocks. Okay, so but and the next can be you as well. Okay, if you have any idea, if you have any topic, like it can be any topic of the .NET. Okay, or if you want to make publish your content on my website. Okay, so guys, I will definitely I will put your content on my website. Okay, with your name, with your LinkedIn profile link as well. Okay, so this is how like we are engaging to each other, or we are building our family. Okay, so if you love this content, so just hit the like button, or share this video to your friends, your colleagues, or network as well. Okay, or please subscribe to our YouTube channel as well, so that we can grow more and more as well. Okay, so till then, take care guys, bye bye, have a good day.